This is how to know who your true friends are. Friendship is one of the best aspects of life. Unfortunately, not all friendships are true. In a world of instant online connections and acquiring an increasing number of friends on several social media platforms, it's quite a challenge to recognize or discern true friends from fake friends. Also, seeing that it is quite easy to make new friends nowadays, whether you are waiting in line for coffee, share a class, or live next door, it is only expected that all manner of friendships will exist. Friendships built on selfish interest and friendships built on trust and love. How we identify and differentiate true friendship from the fakes is entirely left to us to figure out. True friends can either be people you have known your whole life and have grown up with, or people you meet in random places and situations. In this video, we'll be sharing with you some tips on how to know who your true friends are. If you're new here, consider subscribing so you won't miss other interesting videos like this. 1. True friends accept you exactly as you are. A true friend will never judge you. Instead, he or she accepts you the way you are and embrace your flaws and weaknesses. He or she allows you to be yourself. A true friend will love and adore you for whatever you identify with and will admire you for both your strength and weaknesses. A true friend helps you dismiss your insecurities. After all, true friendship is measured in how vulnerable you can be around each other. 2. True friends stay with you in both good times and bad times. A true friend chooses to stay with you when you are going through rough patches. They remain by your side and help you overcome your trials and difficulties. A true friend does not abandon you in your moments of need. They laugh with you when you laugh and cry with you when you cry. This kind of people are genuine friends who you should keep. They are not selfish and want what's best for you. Hence, they do not give up on you when you need them to be there for you. If you have these kinds of friends around you, make sure to keep them and treat them right because they are your true friends. 3. True friends help you without keeping scores. True friends support you with everything they have, and they do not even need to keep records of it. A true friend understands that you can't probably deal with all the life's trials and tribulations by yourself, so they make themselves available to help you every step of the way. True friends do not help you as a way of reciprocating a past goodness, neither do they do it in hope for a future favor. Instead, they do it because they care about your well-being. They focus on meeting your actual needs, not what they stand to get in return. They are selfless and sacrificing. A friend that doesn't put himself or herself before you is a true friend worth keeping. 4. True friends make time out for you. In today's world, everyone claims to be busy with work, business, and other stuff. A true friend, however, doesn't toss you aside in the face of work. They include you in their lives and create time to spend with you. They do not use work or time as an excuse not to hang out with you. They want your friendships to involve mutual activities and shared memories. So, if you've never gone to a movie or been shopping together, never played a sport or game together, never attended a party together, then you're probably not friends. 5. They keep your secrets. True friends know the most embarrassing thing about you, but they do not go about making such information a public announcement. A true friend is someone who doesn't gossip around town, talking about your dark little secrets. Unlike fake friends, who will treat your secrets like it's nothing scared, a true friend values your confidence and will not tell anyone. 6. True friends allow you to explore your interest. As we mature, we find ourselves picking interest in different things, and sometimes these things seem very unlike ourselves. While fake friends make a jest of you and tell you to stick to the norm and status quo, true friends encourage you to explore new interests. 7. True friends give you the critical feedback. George Saunders said, "We wouldn't want to assume that compassion is always gentle. A harsh truth can be compassionate. If a friend is wearing something ridiculous, you can say, "You look like an idiot," and maybe that will save him. A true friend opens up to you and gives you constructive feedback that can help you improve on yourself and your work. They help you become a better person. In summary, the most important thing is to know that your true friends always want what is best for you. They want you to become a better version of yourself.
Thank you for watching our videos. We'd like to give you another interesting video for you to enjoy next. But before then, our team will be very happy if you can like this video and share it with your friends on social media. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss other interesting videos like this. Look at your screen now to see 2 other videos we handpicked for you to enjoy next. We love you.